a little like cautious about that
Hmm.
because if I'm not actively seeking like work and stuff, then I don't. It doesn't make sense for me to like currently start off a website, right?
True.
Off the bat. If I'm not making anything, it feels like a waste of investment. So I'm just like still figuring it out, like trying to at least learn the tools so that later on, if I have the option, if I need it real bad, like at least I know some basic knowledge about it. So yeah, dude, I'm just gonna like mute myself and like listen to you all talk.
See, I believe
So
what happened was I was taking this session on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday weekend. Let's like all of a sudden we decided let's chill, let's relax on a weekend. I was just
yeah,
not doing well yesterday, and what happened on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday was I received at least 50 questions from different odd members, and everyone was like, so mate, we need help, we have got questions, is facing issues,
yeah,
there are problems. Today is going to be a very quick session, maybe an hour, I guess, not more than that, and you'll just be discussing questions over this call.
perfect, perfect. Sounds good, dude.
Yeah. Elliot, you can see the stream, right? What's the lag?
Yeah, it's live.
It's live. Is there a lag?
No, no, no.
I just hope there's no lag in
I
it.
don't see.
Yeah, go ahead. Who's
Yeah,
your
bro, it's RV.
okay?
Yeah,
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 okay, go
bro.
ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
So, like, have you used like AWS Cloud for hosting and like that? Like, is hosting available on it? Or
I'm sorry, what was your question? I couldn't hear you.
like, yeah, sorry. AWS in AWS Cloud is hosting and it available on it or
AW cloud hosting is available.
AWS? AWS.
I know you said something about AWS, but I couldn't understand your question at all. What do you exactly mean?
Yeah, so like, can I host my website
Oh,
from AWS?
absolutely. See, you can host it on any platform. AWS, fantastic. AWS, DigitalOcean, Azure, GCP, no matter what sort of platform you're on, you can host your website. The thing is, AWS is expensive.
Okay.
नहीं परवड़ेगा AWS पे host करना. That's the whole problem.
Like actually, like right now, I have like around $200 of credit on it.
Oh, then you can definitely go for it. Not at all a problem.
So like I have bought a domain from like .tech domains
Hmm.
and like उसके अंदर मुझे DNS वो ट्रांसफर करना नहीं आ रहा, like हो नहीं रहा.
डॉट टेक खरीदा डीएनएस ट्रांसफर करने को नहीं आ रहा है ओके
Yeah,
व्हाट इज द इशू यू आर फेसिंग
like it's
Have you taken that from GitHub Students Pack?
yeah, right, man.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
GitHub students pack is providing a dot tech domain you're saying
Yeah,
and
Namecheap.
.com too, I guess.
No, bro. Like .com is the paid one.
okay
I guess.
Oh,
Yeah,
and
like
dot tech is free
.tech, like it's the there are three websites which are providing it,
hmm
like Namecheap, .tech domains, and the third one was
name. It has something like
name.com. Yeah,
name. Yeah,
name.com.
name. Dot.
where have you got yours from
Sorry,
where have you purchased yours from
I have purchased mine from .tech domain.
yeah I get it you have got a dot tech but what is the
Yeah,
domain service provider
yeah. It's the company's name is .tech.
dot
It's
tech
it's
oh
dot tech,
Yeah,
dot
not
dot
dot
tech
tk.
this is
It's tk, not tech but tk at
yes.
the back. dot tk.
this is
And
it
Free. Yep.
oh okay you're saying
Free
dot
domains.
tk oh, okay okay
tk, not tech.
Okay, I'll tell
Yep.
you what's the
.tk,
problem. I'll tell you what's the problem
.tecn.
now.
I'll just send the link over
Hmm.
WordPress if that's
Now I'll tell you what's the issue. I thought you were saying dot tech. There's a huge
No, no.
difference between dot tech and
Yep.
dot tk. I'll tell you what's the problem with dot tk domains. I received multiple submissions on form where they had dot tk, dot ml, and some random stuff. Even Google's business site. Those are the ones that I received. उनका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये इंटरनेट के जो डोमेन्स है दीज आर प्रीटी मच अवेलेबल फॉर फ्री but they are blacklisted for a very specific reason because people try to run a hell lot of scams on .tk or .ml domains. That's why hosting companies have straight away started rejecting these domains. So
So I
this
have
is not
sent
at all going to be
the
valid
link
for you.
on WordPress. So like
There is a
it will
lag
be
or
better.
there's some noise in the background. Someone needs to turn off their mic.
I
So
have
the
sent the
lag
link
is
over WordPress, WordPress.org.
Go ahead. You're saying something about
Yeah,
WordPress.org. What were you saying?
yeah. I had sent the link of that website
Hmm.
from where I
okay.
bought
So
it.
it's
Hmm.
dot tech, not dot tk.
TK or
Yes,
dot
man.
T dot tech.
TECH. TECH.
Yeah, it's included in the GitHub students pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, then there shouldn't be any issue at all. If you are okay, let me open where is WordPress channel? Okay, found it. Get.tech. Okay, Get.tech is easy. Even my domain is hosted on Get.tech. It's a really sophisticated one. There's going to be no issue for you. All you need to do is you need to configure the DNS properly. The first thing you need to do is you'll log in, you'll find the name server section. Let's see if I have my login available. No, it's not. It's on a different account. But yeah, I do have my .tech, the C32.tech that I'm using. It's available. I purchased that from get.tech only. Just make sure that you copy paste your name servers correctly on the name server section in the domain service provider section, like the name server section, of course. Why am I saying
So
name
like,
server so many times?
can we connect on like privately sometime
Arey man, it's
tomorrow or
it's
like?
it's really easy. Tell me something. Where have you purchased your hosting from?
Well, I haven't purchased anything yet, but I am planning to do it like on.
Then how are you planning to get your website up and running without a hosting
Yeah,
service?
yeah. Right now I have AWS.
Hmm.
I was thinking about that,
Hmm.
but right now I got like education hosts.
Hmm. See, it's still not a problem. Whenever you
Yeah,
go to AWS's DNS section, there you have a definite scope over there to add your name servers. Sorry, no, you don't. Okay, sorry, my bad. I just mixed up two things. AWS के खुद के name servers होते हैं. You have to pick those name servers and add it over here. It's just that while you're doing it in AWS, you have to let AWS know what sort of website you have registered over there as well. बताना तो पड़ता है भाई.
yeah, right.
But I think AWS name servers are pretty much available in public domain. It's just that you need to add a domain to AWS. है मतलब थोड़ा AWS का थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है. I'll show you how that is done, or let me see if I can find a Google article for that. I'll just share that with you.
मैंने डीएम में लिंक दिया है उसमें GoDaddy का डोमेन है पर आई गेस सेम होना चाहिए जो नेम सर्वर्स का कॉपी पेस्ट वाला सीन है वो सेम होगा.
See,
एक बार वीडियो चेकआउट कर लेना.
there are multiple things that actually
Multiple
happen
videos.
on. Yeah, true, absolutely. What you're saying. I figured out one more thing, that there are multiple instances. So EC2 instance पे जिस तरीके से आप DNS configure करते हैं Route 53 पे करते हो, it's different to some extent. I think on Route 53 it's very straightforward, but on EC2 instance you have to configure each and everything. Like every small detail is what you need to add. So I think that might be one issue. वो एक देखना पड़ेगा अगर वो issue होगा तो.
Hello, I would like to add upon this.
Okay,
मैं
go ahead,
कहना
man.
चाहता हूँ कि EC2 में है ना आपको मतलब उसके एक एक चीज ऐड करनी पड़ेगी. होस्ट फाइल वगैरह में जाके अंदर तब जाके वो होगा. तो मैं प्रेफर नहीं करूँगा कि आप उस पे जाओ. एक काफी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस हो जाएगी आपके लिए.
Exactly.
भले उनके क्रेडिट है और भले उनके क्रेडिट वगैरह आपके पास हो, वो लोग क्रेडिट हर लोगों को देते हैं पर वो काफी लेंथी प्रोसेस है. मतलब जो एक्चुअल में जो प्रोसेस होती है ना, ये होस्टिंग वालों ने हमें ऑटोमेट करके दे दी है, पर इसी रुपये में वो प्रोसेस पूरी अपने आप से करनी पड़ती है. थोड़ा लेंथी रहेगा, आप देखना.
ट्रू. या फिर ये एक और एक चीज फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं कि सो इज इट ओके, लाइक अगर आपके पास अवेलेबल होगा फ्री में Route 53, That's a very easy instance that you can build. Like that is sort of meant for WordPress only. So if you have access to Route 53 or you can create one, वहाँ पे all you need to do is like configure the domain and take the name servers and paste it on your domain service provider's account. Route 53 अगर होगा तो थोड़ा आसान है. EC2 बहुत difficult है. Difficult as in if you don't have experience with DevOps, it's going to be a hectic task for you. ओके गाइस, सो काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है. मैंने आप लोगों को आपके होस्टिंग सर्विसेज भी दिए. आई हैव गिवन यू होस्टिंग पैकेजेस. आई थिंक आई हैव रिलीज्ड ऑलमोस्ट 48 or something hosting packages. What is the progress on your websites? What have you guys been doing?
Sumit, I am trying to try to learn from building a site in localhost. So I am not being able to use the Elementor.
Okay.
So
Any issue with Elementor?
Yeah.
You're facing any issue with Elementor, or what's the problem?
So while I drag the widgets, so it shows error. It doesn't come out from the widget box.
Okay. What sort of theme are you using first of all?
So while I was trying for the first time, I used the theme you provided, and for the next time I used Extra, and it's same for the both cases.
Okay. So
while I change the content of the theme you provided, it changes, but while I drag the widgets, it doesn't come.
Okay. Elementor issues तो देता है. I think okay. There are 2 or 3 issues that we can think of over here. One is the browser issue. What sort of browser are you using, by the way?
I'm not using, but it's Microsoft Excel.
Hello. My friend, what kind of browser are you using? Are you on Chrome? Are you on Safari, Edge? What one are you using? Which one are you using?
I'm using the browser of Microsoft. Which one?
Okay. The Edge one, I believe then. I think it's okay for you to transition to Google Chrome or Mozilla or Safari in that case. Like Chrome is more than sufficient here because वही है कि it's a standard. I frankly don't even remember when was the last time I used Microsoft Edge. Let's try to move on from Microsoft browsers now. हो गया अभी उनका ज़माना चला गया. See, browser compatibility. Yeah, okay. Someone has got to add something. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So like I had registered in that eco hosting. Yeah. So I haven't received it yet. So like, how would I get it? Like,
Okay.
email confirmation?
Yeah. I've sent an email to almost everyone who has registered. Tell me what's your name, bro?
Yeah, it's Rajveer.
Rajveer, and what was the website that you shared with me?
It's rajveerpatel.tech.
Rajveer Patel. Okay. I don't see. One second. Oh, rajveerpatel.tech. You've shared it on 17th, bro. That's yesterday. कल का मैंने नहीं करा है. I've shared all the websites till, let me tell you. Actually, yeah. कल सुबह 10 बजे 17th 10 बजे तक सुबह. Like the last one that I received 10 a.m. was from Siddharth, which was ubloom.in. 10 बजे तक भेजा है. कल रात को मैं नहीं बैठा था. I was not really doing well yesterday night, so I just took an off. So yeah, in that case, I can see that there are like 7-8 websites that I've received. Those I'll be doing it tonight. थोड़ा patience रखो यार. मुझे भी थोड़ा time दो. I've got a lot of things to handle and take care of.
No problem, man. Just like I had to ask that. Is that offer still available?
The offer is going to the offer is going to stay till I don't even know, man. I think indefinite time. The offer is never going to go off the shelf.
Okay.
आज बच्चे बहुत शांत दिख रहे हैं. What exactly is the scene? Like anything serious happened today?
Wait, I wanted to ask something.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, like if I'm
build a
Bro, your voice is
grocery
breaking a
store of
lot.
my area in my
There's
area.
some
Okay,
lag. Can
and
you please repeat?
yeah, like if I wanted to build a WordPress website for a local grocery store in my area,
Hmm.
am I audible now?
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, local grocery
Am
store.
I
Okay.
audible now? Okay. Okay. So yeah, how do I make it tweaks such that when I search on a search engine local grocery store grocery stores near me, like the website appears. Like how do I make it possible that?
Okay.
Does it require some extra SEO or something?
Okay. First of all, there are multiple ways in which you can take care of SEO. One is a standard SEO practice, and I believe there is a listing SEO. WooCommerce, I guess. I think the tool is available from WooCommerce only. I am searching it on my screen right now. There is a plugin actually that's available by WooCommerce, which is specifically meant for listings and products.
Sumit, can I
Yeah.
speak?
Yeah, please go ahead.
I am working as a SEO professional. So in WordPress, you can have Rank Math or Yoast as a plugin.
True.
So that will work for you.
Hmm.
Like there is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. In on-page SEO, we do meta details and we put keywords in our content so that it makes ranking.
Hmm. True. See.
And in off page we can do backlinks, so we create backlinks. Okay, or whatever, if there is some article you can publish तुम्हारे contact में हो, so you can ask him to publish my content and they will give a link to your website. That is called a backlink.
True.
So that is an off page activity. So there are kind of various kind of off page activities.
Okay,
So
that I'm aware of. I just like that I'm aware of. Okay, but this, since it is a very local area, like usme bhi I have to do so many things like content and all. Just like like that plugin you was talking about, usse काम चल जाएगा.
Yoast is a most prior thing and content is must. Like Google के main 3 criteria देखोगे ना, तो वो page speed होगा और content होगा और UI UX होगा, bounce rate होगा. So these are the priority वाले थे.
True. Okay. I think I've got 2 or 3 things over here for you if you're doing it. So if you can see my screen, you'll see that there's a WooCommerce rich snippet that I'm pretty much aware of, even for Yoast. So for Yoast, there is an additional, you cannot really call it as a mini plugin. I think it's like an add-on. It goes by the name Local SEO for WordPress plugin. This is basically something that I can do just to improve your local customers. I don't know how effective this is because I haven't really done it so far. But just from my knowledge, I can tell you that this thing exists. This one, and there's also this one more thing called WooCommerce Rich Snippets, which is basically for your local and business SEO. That is another plugin that you can consider. If you're seeing my screen, you can actually see what I'm talking about.
Yes, I can relate to that.
Yeah. So I think
there is an echo. Is there someone can fix it so I can speak better?
Guys, mic बंद कर दो, please.
No echo, I guess. There's no.
तेरा शायद वीडियो भी बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है, तो YouTube का वीडियो ऑफ कर दे, मीडिया वॉल्यूम.
Mute.
So that rich snippets is what कि जो हम कुछ भी गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं, जो हमको गूगल ही आंसर दे देता है. फॉर एग्जांपल how can I explain, like if I say कि हाइट क्या है, ताजमहल की हाइट क्या है, so directly वो हाइट बता देगा in numbers. So that is a kind of rich
that
snippet.
is definitely rich snippet, yeah.
हाँ, और उसके लिए हमको क्या स्कीमा डालनी पड़ती है अपने वर्डप्रेस के अंदर. So वो वर्डप्रेस के थ्रू जब हम स्कीमा स्क्रिप्ट करते हैं, तो देयर इज आल्सो टूल के जिससे हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं स्कीमा. वो लोकल बिजनेस के लिए इफेक्टिव होती है. एंड लोकल, जहाँ तक लोकल बिजनेस की बात आती है ना, सो इफ यू हैव वेल मेंटेन्ड गूगल माय बिजनेस पेज, यू आर सॉर्टेड, यू आर 80% सॉर्टेड ऑन दैट. सो उसके बाद if you want कि तुम्हारा presence ज़्यादा बढ़े, so you have to work on your website. For example, if you target any keyword, for example, you are searching anything like you can say mobile shop repair near me. So what Google will do is कि पहले तो वो अपने Google Maps के 3 लोकेशन दिखाएगा, उसके बाद तुम्हारा वेबसाइट का तुम जब रैंकिंग पे लेके आओगे. So till then most of people Google Maps से ही वो कंसिडर कर लेते हैं रिजल्ट.
True, absolutely, man. A new update, by the way. So yeah, please complete, and then maybe we'll talk about this update.
So, I was concluding that if you are working on GMB, so you are almost sorted in local business. But perhaps that depends कि आपके competitors कैसे हैं. If they are doing hardcore SEO, so you have to beat them. It's like कि जितना तुम्हारे एरिया का जो तुम्हारे टारगेटेड कीवर्ड्स हैं वो कितना सैचुरेशन पॉइंट पे है. अगर वो वहाँ पे जो कीवर्ड्स अपने रैंक करना है, अगर वहाँ पे वो साइट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा एसईओ अच्छे डिटेल में एसईओ कर चुके हैं, लाइक दे हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ बैकलिंक्स, दे हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ ट्रैफिक, दे हैव गुड लो बाउंस रेट, so you have to beat them in that sense.
True. A friend over here who is doing SEO. What was your name, bro?
My name?
Yeah. I see. I finding it difficult to actually go through the entire list and even talk to you. Yash.
Okay.
Yash. How do you call it? Yash.
Yash Vaswani.
Yash Vaswani. Man, I just needed your name to refer you on your first name basis. On my screen, what I'm sharing right now is web stories in Google search. Have you heard about this thing? They've recently introduced this concept where it's pretty much similar to our Instagram stories. Or rather, you can show news, or you can show tutorials, or you can show content in a story format. Heard of that? Any views on that? How do you think it's going to affect the SEO?
Actually, I haven't heard of that, to be honest. But what Google is trying to say, strategize is कि Google की strategy क्या थी पहले कि जो लोग search करें हम उसको content दिखाएं. But now what Google is trying to establish his content is कि हम interest base पे जैसे हमारे Android phones में कैसे feeds आते हैं, articles आते हैं related. So वो गूगल उस पे ज़्यादा ट्रिपल डाउन कर रहा है कि वो ज़्यादा पुश कर सके अपना कंटेंट रेदर देन सर्चिंग. सो उसके लिए क्या वो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अभी उसका AI भी है इन द बैक, उस पे भी एड्स चलाएगा. एंड अब ये जैसे फीड्स आते हैं उस पे भी एड्स आने चालू हो गए. वन मोर थिंग, ये जो फीड्स आते हैं ना वो सारे पेजेस उसके AMP बूस्टेड होते हैं.
AMP बूस्टेड होता है. या एक्सेलरेटेड पेजेस.
तो ही वो गूगल फीड्स में आएंगे आपके आर्टिकल.
Okay. See, you're absolutely true about this, and there's so many things Google is doing right now. I was just blown by what even Google thought about this web stories. Like this literally means, what this literally means is now Instagram पे stories दिखते थे. It started with Snapchat, now it's on Instagram. We have WhatsApp statuses. अभी Google पे भी search करने के बाद stories दिखने लग जाएगी, and how irritating it's going to be after a point in time.
It's not like कि जो search करेगा, जो कंटेंट आप फॉलो करोगे ना, जो टॉपिक पे जो फीड्स में आप फॉर एग्जांपल आप करते हो ना, उसमें भी मोर और लेस का ऑप्शन आता है कि इफ यू वांट टू सी मोर ऑफ दिस कंटेंट, मोर ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल, सो यू कैन डू दैट. लाइक इट्स लाइक कि तुम अपने एल्गोरिदम को ट्रेन कर रहे हो कि मुझे ऐसा ऐसा कंटेंट चाहिए.
ट्रू, मेक सेंस.
सो दैट वो उस स्ट्रेटेजी पे अभी काम कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक फेसबुक के जैसे एड मैनेजर की बात करें ना, तो व्हाट फेसबुक डज इज कि वो इंटरेस्ट बेस्ड टारगेटिंग करता है. सो गूगल वांट्स दैट एज वेल कि उसके पास इंटरेस्ट बेस्ड टारगेटिंग नहीं था, वो अभी डेवलप कर रहा है इसलिए.
ट्रू मैन, मेक सेंस.
एंड Samud, one more thing, and Google, see, they are my friends who does it in Google. Google is next year or next to next year something, they are coming up with Google Shopping in a very different way than this Amazon, all these Google Shopping pages. So they are going to make it like that Amazon kind of feel. the entire Google Shopping, and it'll be interest based. So they are bringing everyone into Google and making the Google ads better rather than getting into like Facebook and other things.
One more thing I would add on to this.
Guys, I'll just need a minute or a two's break. You guys please go on. I'll join you just in 2 minutes.
It's echoing. Okay, because पूरा का पूरा out of stock हो रहा है, all these electronic products. So SEO is also helping out, but ads will help out a lot. What is that? A lot to get sales.
Mid.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Bro, is this like
Check
this
your
Google
DM.
thing
Check your
is
DM.
like
Oh yeah,
this
I got
Google
it.
thing is like more or less self-monetizing the users' content, right?
It does it of course it does. For example, at the end of money, and it wants to make it like what is it? If anyone makes a website, has to rely on Google kind of thing. That's how Google is trying to come up. And yes, even if you're making an e-commerce store without paying Google, I mean, it's like if you're paying like in later stages, right? In later days, you have to pay Google to make sure your product actually is visible. Else your product, your SEO is going to be very, I mean, it's not going to make you sales. It's just for branding. After a few, maybe even now also.
Yeah, it's more or less like a step above Facebook's method right now, right?
Yeah, if it comes up.
No, I couldn't get any information in the Google about this. What should I search to get results about this?
About what?
About this Google's e-commerce thing.
It's Google Shopping. It's you can search Google Shopping. So basically, right now it is nothing. I mean, right now if you go to that shopping page, it's basically a blank listing kind of right.
Zach, sorry for interruption. Is it like a default feature of Merchant? Google Merchant?
Google Merchant, exactly. Google Shopping, both the same, right?
That's what I was asking because already Tora launch over India pe. So I can see a lot of business listing their products, just like Instagram.
Yes. That's what they are going to make it in such a sophisticated way that where you can get banners. Banners के लिए भी ads होंगे, सब जगह ads होंगे. So that's how Amazon does, right? If you want to get into Amazon banner, like, huh?
So can you please repeat the name what you said that already launched in India?
Bro, I'm not sure is it launched for everyone because like
Google
beta pe bhi hai.
Google Merchant, I guess.
Bro, continue.
So yeah, Samad, you can continue, man. I was just interrupting. I was just.
No, man, absolutely not. See, today we are not really training or teaching anything. It's just that random Q&A session because I actually received multiple questions and I receive questions still. I'm still receiving questions over my DM, but nobody wants to discuss it in public in front of everyone. I don't know what's the problem. सबको सीखने को मिलेगा.
When someone asks me about WordPress or things, no, I'll just ask in the group. Everyone, same thing. I'll ask in the group. I guess multiple people already might have gotten that thing. I'll just say the same thing. Ask in the group. So yeah, so that everyone, even if I answer just for one, right? So only if it is like, for example, मेरा ये चल नहीं रहा है and all, then I'll be like, अच्छा, give your ID password. I will make it right or something. If I know. So that's the only thing. Else, I'll just put directly ask in the group.
Okay.
Or ask in the channel. Yeah.
True, but that makes more sense because everyone is going to learn some or the other thing. Like for me also, there's this friend of ours who's come up with a problem with Elementor, whereas Elementor is not at all functioning, cannot change colors, drag and drop is disabled, and I don't understand why that's happening. Of course, he said one thing that he's using Internet Explorer.
कुछ plugin issue होगा यार, कुछ plugin issue है. Just put it in safe mode and work. If it is working in safe mode, then it might be a plugin like other plugins. It always happens. Other plugins clashes with e-commerce, especially this Elements Kit, right? Always happens. Elements Kit करके add-on है that actually mostly clashes with this particular Elements Kit Pro basically. It always clashes with this Elementor. Most probably I right now I don't use Elements Kit Pro, but yet it clashes. So at times that happens.
True.
So I did it in Google Chrome. Now it's working.
See, I think that's what I felt somewhere down the line. There was an issue with the browser. He was using Internet Explorer in 2020. No. Okay, sorry, my bad. Not Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. But that's also terrible, man.
Edge.
Really need to move on from.
Use the new Edge.
Google Chrome, but so I installed the local, so I was so it directly.
Bro, वो सिर्फ Chrome डाउनलोड करने के लिए काम आता है.
The new Edge is good, but it's not so much sophisticated. Like utna bhi acha. The new Edge, whatever they have released, right? It's the same with Google Chrome engine itself. V8, what a V8, I guess. Chrome engine, Chromium ही use कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
But yet it's no one uses nowadays like Edge.
Jack, you're correct. But you know the sync all over the device doesn't come in the Microsoft Edge.
Yeah,
Right?
true.
Okay.
No, it does come. It does come.
It does come.
Is it so seriously?
Yes.
The new Edge.
Okay.
It is like same Chrome browser, but some like UI changes.
It's like white
So
branding.
open source.
White
Open
branding.
source of Chromium.
Chrome.
They both are using the Chromium like engine.
My Chromium तो open source है ना?
Yeah.
So Karthik,
But like they both can like use.
Dude, echo बहुत हो रहा है.
echo बहुत हो रहा है. किसी का तो mic is a disturbance over here. Not really sure whose. But I actually had a question for Karthik and Yash. Yash, because of course SEO background, and since we are just talking random stuff today, talking about resources available over the internet, I have been following this one guy who writes just one or two, or I think very limited articles throughout the year, but his articles are best when it comes to SEO. The Blacklinko guy. What are your views about his articles?
One is domain authority. See, backlinking is good, but domain authority is one of the major things.
No. Okay, Karthik. 1 second. Pause. Karthik and Yash both. I am talking about the guy Backlinko and not backlinking.
I do know him.
Yeah.
This guy has a very good stuff. He's sharing his like real case studies. One more thing, you can join a forum. There is name Black Hat
Forum.
Yes.
That's quite popular.
That's effective.
So popular, and many tops, SEO specialists use that.
Do use that, and they also provide services for SEO. Like if you want backlinks and if you want fake email IDs, so you can find that on.
If someone has Black Hat का like पुराना account, they get freebies monthly or 2 months. कुछ ना कुछ.
नाम क्या बोल रहा था bro?
Black Hat World.
Like okay.
So you can basically see.
Also, you can follow Search Engine General.
Yeah, Search Engine General.
उस पे काफी अच्छे updates, मतलब latest updates आते हैं.
True.
And if you want to really follow, John Mueller is the guy जो Google का ही बंदा है और वो SEO के कुछ clarification ऐसे myth busting कभी-कभी कर देता है.
But what I would suggest is Black Hat. Some people, right? They'll be like Black Hat SEO is the you shouldn't do or something. But doing it little bit, थोड़ा minimum अगर किया तो कुछ problem नहीं होगा.
Okay.
This Black Hat SEO. Suppose you're using internet, na? You're using what is that? I guess, na? Can you just type in this thing? I'll just show you the Black Hat stuff. What I do little bit. Can you just type in plywood dealers in Hubli?
Can you repeat it? What were you saying?
Plywood dealers in Hubli, or plywood dealers in Bangalore also works. But yeah, plywood dealers in Hubli. Hubli is one of the big place for plywood.
Okay.
So, what are the results? What came?
Jyoti
There's
Plywood
like
and
Jyoti, Sapna, Swastik, top 100 plywood shops in Hubli by Just Dial. Pretty much Just Dial
and Sapna Plywood, right?
Yeah, I think I have an ad blocker enabled, so maybe that. Do you want me to disable that as well?
Sapna Plywood's आया होगा search engine पे.
Yeah. I see Sapna. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, after Just Dial, I hate Just Dial for some reason. I don't know how they are ranking high. So could you just click that? You see, सबसे नीचे जाइए. That is one of the. I would suggest people to use this kind of अगर just get into it.
I am on Sapna Plywood's website.
Okay. नीचे जाइए थोड़ा.
Okay.
You can see
इतना बड़ा
black color. Sorry.
इतना बड़ा है वो plywood का.
हाँ, the thing is, थोड़ा नीचे जाने से you'll see that some write-ups in black and white.
Okay.
Black and white में पूरा, yeah. So that particular thing is basically it is for increasing the density of the keyword.
Bro,
the Sapna Plywood.
Keyword density works in 2020. Are you sure keyword density works in 2020?
101%, man, dude. This website, how long do you think is this website? It's only 1.5 months old. It's already 1.5 month old website.
Okay.
Bro, can you repeat the keyword?
plywood dealers in Bangalore, plywood dealers in Hubli, plywood, anything plywood and Hubli you type, or veneer dealers in Hubli, anything you type it will come. Sapna Plywoods.
So, Karthik, there's one way that I do, which is pretty much legal, but I feel that has worked really well for me, for few of my clients. What I do is, I started doing this for a resort in Mahabaleshwar, goes by the name. I'll just show it to you 1 second. I don't even think is it live? Yeah, okay, it's live. Brightland. I don't even see. I have done this a long time before, but let's see if we still find
Keyword
it.
stuffing works, though. Keyword stuffing actually works. Basically,
So I haven't.
keyword density is something what you have to check on.
Bro,
But you see,
it's
it's
like
not. अच्छी
अगर
बताइए.
Google का
Definitely not.
penalty आ गया ना तो
That is what
तुम्हारी
I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. Now you see the density what I've used is only 3%. 3% is absolute the fine level.
Okay.
That's fine. 2 to 3% is enough, I believe. I prefer
Yeah.
2%, not more than that. But उसके बाद भी ऐसे that's not called a black hat technique, I would say. Black hat is like कि तुम्हारा like जैसे ये black
It's not
background है ना,
exactly black hat. See, that particular blog what I have written in that black color ना, वो पूरा का पूरा plywood dealer है. हर जगह जहाँ आता है plywood dealer in Hubli, that is keyword stuffing itself.
Yeah.
yeah, that stuffing, that content is not readable.
No one is going to read it. Only Google is going to read it.
Yeah.
See, okay, Karthik, how about this one way that I use to both of you? There's this one way that I use. What I do is for Brighton Resort, what I did was offers for Brighton Resort for the people in Pune. I created at least like 70 to 80 landing pages according to all the top cities in India. Those were nowhere linked on the website, but there they were available in the background, and I did internal linking to such an extent where they were not like really accessible through the website, but those pages existed and they had a lot of keyword stuffing, like legit keyword stuffing or legit landing pages, but just for every other city. Now that is one way that I use for clients who I really want to push a lot for SEO, where I just create like 70, 80
Did you do
city specific.
backlinking with the same thing? You should even do backlinking as well. If you're doing that keyword stuffing thing, just for like if you're concentrating on one page where the people are.
These pages are
Dude,
called
Samud, one thing I'm not seeing you since I'm using phone, right? I'll not be able to see the YouTube video because आवाज clash होंगे.
No, I just know one thing, that they recently changed their website. But when I built their website back in 2016, what I did was I created at least like 70 to 80 pages. So even if tomorrow I need to do something for an e-commerce website, what I'll do is for their top. So let's not consider an e-commerce a product-based company. Let's assume my company, sanitizer company or hand wipes. What I'll do is I'll create like 70 to 80 different pages, offers exclusively for those cities, some way or the other, with my content within my blogs, within those all those small places across my website. I'll backlink those pages and I'll have those pages. That sort of increases the number of pages, and that also increases the keywords.
Internal linking.
तो ये कैसे लगता है, ये तरीका कैसा है?
Samud, just type this, no, electronic component in Bangalore. Just type this. It's an e-commerce website. मैंने उसमें कुछ भी नहीं किया है. I'll tell you what I had made in.
Electronic components in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Charvi.
I see there is RS, Centronic, Amar.
Not ad. Sharvi Electronics nahi hai. Electronic components.
Oh, Sharvi, that's the first link. Yeah, Sharvi. Okay, yeah. Oh, I was looking at the listings, Google listing, business listings. First website is Sharvi Electronics.
Google ads भी चल रहा है for TP electronic.
नहीं, ads तो नहीं है, मतलब हाँ, of course तुम्हारा चल रहा होगा. I have just disabled it.
It will take little time because that particular slider is some city slider, so we are changing it. So basically, देखो what I have done is all the starting में जो आप products दिख रहे हो ना, images. I've changed the image name alt tag to that thing, electronic components in Bangalore, electronic products in Bangalore. Even if you type electronic products
My
in Bangalore,
goodness, that's like crazy amount of effort, man.
Zach.
हाँ जी बताइए.
So the keyword stuffing worked because there was very less traffic. Like I'm checking on Uber Suggest and like 400 volume just showing it is.
That works.
So that's why it worked. That's why it worked. Now keyword stuffing doesn't work anymore.
I'll tell you something. You type plywood dealers in Hubli, right? Maybe.
Yeah. No. I just entered the website. Snap. sapnaplywood.com.
हाँ उसमें क्योंकि अभी कोई प्लाईवुड को कोई सर्च नहीं करेगा ना, कोविड
Yeah.
है. Okay, that's
Yeah.
one thing. So see how Google works is in Hubli, right? If you are in Hubli, you just have to type anyone who is there in Hubli. You type plywood dealers only, just plywood dealers, and this comes up. You no need to type in Hubli. That's how Google works right now. Google is geolocated right now. It
of
takes
course.
geolocation. Okay,
What
like
about
you type in your city plywood, just type plywood dealers. Just an example, dealers या whatever. आपका city का आएगा plywood dealers in blah blah blah, top plywood cities in whatever your city is. So if anyone's in Hubli, you can just type plywood dealers and it will come in the top 3 or wherever it is.
Of course, yeah, geolocation specific. This is definitely how
Bro,
it's going to
Altec
work.
wala technique is not that, like it could make a penalty over you.
I've never heard of extreme black hat techniques, sir. What are those extreme techniques that can actually get you banned just for education purpose?
It is like you saying a crime, dude. If you're doing a big crime, see, without the black hat is something where you. That's why I'm saying some people say black hat is not good, but the thing is, if you're limiting right, it is absolutely good. Now this what is that? Electronic components in Bangalore. Starting में Sharvi Electronics है. Basically मैंने क्या किया, सब images को. It's not a whole lot of work. Just press Control A on the images, right click, rename to this particular thing. Automatically वो सब हो जाएगा.
So previously one thing people used to do that they used to match the font color with the background color and like so that
that is very big penalty. That
that is
don't
like
do
extreme
that. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do
I just lost it. What was the thing that Elliot said right now? क्या गलत चीज है?
The font color matched with the background color, and like people used to doesn't see anything, like anything wasn't visible.
Like
But it increased the keyword stuffing and keyword volume, so
damn.
it ranked. Google used to rank, but it doesn't work anymore. Google directly bans now.
Panda, and Google Panda will remove all these. मतलब if they find background and
yeah, that's why it was made.
ये ऐसा मत करो, मतलब don't do all this very much illegal stuff. You can do.
No, he was asking, so I told.
Arina, this is just out of curiosity, man. I actually I've heard a lot that there is black hat SEO. Not really sure what exactly is black hat SEO.
Google it, bro.
What all? Okay, of course. They see there's one thing that you'll find on Google, and then there's one thing that you'll actually find with the people. The people wala element is always going to be interesting.
Something Google जो बताते हैं वो extreme cases होता है. Now taking that extreme cases, you have to think how Google thinks. See, how Google thinks is which is the best content. Now what is the best content? Now if you're entering into an engineering college and you hear nothing about engineering stuff, you don't say that college is a good engineering college. Now, when you're entering into engineering college and you hear about engineering stuff, you hear about a lot of other things, then it is like, acha engineering college or whatever. Now, there is one more thing called keyword stuffing. If you're getting into engineering college, everyone is like engineer. Then they'll be like, shit, this is some mad people place. You got it. No, so it should be like the middle ground where they talk about engineering and what is that? And everything is fine over there. Like even other content also is being talked, and that's how Google says. You think Google as a person, like if it enters into your website, how Google is going to see yours. So that's how I see, like what all Google might see. So be in Google's what is that, shoes or something, and try to grab on how what is that, how your website is going to be scanned by Google or crawled by Google.
True, makes sense.
Yeah.
Karthik,
I think SEO can be. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Dude, everything is free, man. Whatever I do, tool में क्या बोलते हैं? See, at the starting, I'll tell you, don't go with higher keywords. Go with lower keywords. Like this electronic component in Bangalore is 3 months old website, 4 months old website, I would say, जो अभी rank कर रहा है. So see, I started WordPress. You don't think I started WordPress this January only. I started web development in last November. I'm not like a fully experienced guy or something, but I know this SEO stuff because I know what client needs is leads, and ads and SEO is something what client will get leads through, not the website design or something else. So that's where I did my expertise in ads and SEO stuff. So I started WordPress maybe in this last Jan, Feb and all. Like this particular client was my first e-commerce I do coding basically. I do Bootstrap e-commerce बनाया हूँ मैं. WordPress e-commerce is my first WordPress e-commerce which was I started in February and maybe March में end हुआ था. April, May, June, July, 4
Pure
months and
e-commerce or drop shipping?
I don't guess drop shipping is going to work in India.
अरे bro, Indian drop shipping भी होते हैं मालूम ना, suppliers के पास.
Guys, topic से भटक रहे हैं. Let's try to stick to WordPress for at least like 15-20 minutes because अगर SEO का topic बन ही गया है तो I would really want to have a discussion and let everyone even feel included and talk about what exactly is what we can do for WordPress SEO.
Sorry?
What exactly can be done for WordPress SEO? Let's have a discussion over that.
Use rank math, guys, or paid what is that? If you're having money, don't use a nulled version of Yoast. If you're having money, do paid Yoast. Else use rank math. I would say just go blindly with rank math.
Okay.
It's great, but the main you see what I would say. बताइए.
Go ahead.
So yes, so the major part is the title tag. Okay, make sure your title tag has the keyword what you want. Now I've just seen everyone using title tag as just a normal wording or something. And make sure your description has at starting you guys have to go with local. Local is very important. Then you have to climb up anything. Now you see this particular Sharvi Electronics. You take up any of that product and type Bangalore beside it. It is in top 3. Okay. Similarly, what I'm saying is starting you go with local, then you climb up to India level or that's what I'm saying. Okay, local के लिए you don't do all this keyword research and all, you don't do it. Just try to Google it and Google में जब search करेंगे तो वो ये आ जाएंगे. What is that? The drop down comes. So you basically get to know what is the major keywords what's being used. So try to do with that and complete. Like if I'm telling about SEO, it just goes on 1 hour, 2 hour. I'm just keeping it a little bit short.
See, so that's the whole intent, bro.
Description में ना, make sure the title tag में जो keyword किया है, description में at least 3 times you put that keyword somewhere or the other way. So that's one of the major things.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, Samud.
Nah, man. See, I think since we have already started talking about SEO within WordPress, I also agree with you. If you've got money, don't go for the null one. Go with SEO, Yoast SEO.
Also, one more plugin you can use is WP Rocket that enhances the page website that is effective in SEO as well.
That enhances the page what?
No, caching tool, dude. That's a caching tool. It's a cache tool.
Yeah, caching tool. That's what. WP Rocket is a caching tool. W3 Total Cache I think is much better. Gives you like an extreme advanced way to sort of have a control over the kind of caching you want on your website.
It depends. See, if anyone is using Lightspeed server, like okay, if anyone is using hosting a server, use Lightspeed caching. Else you can go with WP Total or Fast Super Cache or something just for a free version. Yeah, WP Rocket is one of the best for if you have money in your hand.
Of course, if we have money, exactly.
Yes.
So hello.
Yeah, Elliot, go ahead.
I would like to add something in SEO. Like firstly, for blogging and stuff, you are trying to blog or something. Just try to use long tail keywords. Go for them. Like short tail keywords are like pretty difficult to rank for. So choose a long tail keyword and do keyword research for that. Like how much traffic is that, and check the keyword difficulty. You can find on Ubersuggest or every other tool provides keyword difficulty. So try to use something like 40 or 50 if you are noob type. You can go for that. And like try to write longer posts, like more than 500 words at least. That would be good. And try to add like index type of thing, like so that Google knows, like in the start when you search something, it provides some listing type of thing and it snippets. So in the snippets it takes from only that, like when you index in index content, it takes from that only. That if someone searches like what is SEO and there is a post containing hell lot of SEO thing, it will just cut that part and show that. So that is done with the help of indexing thing. And yeah, and everyone knows like submitting the site maps, how to submit them, do that so that Google can crawl you and do internal linkings pretty good and try to get good backlinks from good sites. Try to
How to
go
get
for guest
backlinks?
post. Try what?
How to get
Yeah,
backlinks?
yeah. For backlinks, you can try for guest posting, or there is one technique which I don't really recommend, that going to others' post and commenting your link. I don't recommend that, but in the start you can do that. Everyone do that. You can also do that,
So you
and
can
try
definitely,
to use good.
Elliot, I believe we can definitely do that when we are posting a relevant comment on a relevant article providing relevant value. If that's what we
Not
are
like
doing, then it's all good.
What
not
I
like
do for
see
that,
my
right?
post. Yeah, not like see my post. I have did that. Like do a descriptive comment like, yeah, I liked your
I
yeah.
would
You
like
know
to say,
like how.
okay, this doesn't work as a SEO, or else you can comment. It's not.
No
It's like
backlinking for backlinking
it's
for
not
backlinking.
considered as
देखो
a SEO activity.
देखो मैं क्या
No,
करता हूँ
no,
ना for
for
backlinking.
backlinking. I am saying.
See, for backlinking of as per Elliot said, for that particular purpose, what I do is I just type the keyword and Quora beside it. So I get all the top
Yeah.
users of Quora
So
with that
I
particular
was saying
relevant
that
content.
you can
With
do
that
on
particular
Quora,
relevant
Reddit,
content,
and all.
see, that is what I'm
Yeah.
saying. See, what you have to consider is talking about WordPress. Now, WordPress development in 2020 Quora. Just type like that, and you'll get entire Quora.
Yeah.
पूरा का पूरा Quora ही होगा. सब में just stuff it, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, make sure
So
you have duplicate accounts. वरना आपका account, of course, is going to get banned. Just
No,
write
no,
something.
that's not true. If you
recently,
write a good length of Quora answer, then that would not happen. Like,
यार मैं
give
बोल रहा
some
हूँ
insights
50
first. Give some
write some
insights
10.
first, then give.
You
Yeah.
try to write some एक काम करो एक दिन में 20 Quora answers लिख दो with the same link.
नहीं हाँ मुझे
Okay,
वो पता है.
what
मैं ये बोल
exactly
रहा हूँ
is
कि
this Quora fuss about? I can't understand what exactly you guys are talking about. I just lost you because
Quora
I
is
just had
like
a
Q&A
अरे Quora पता है भाई,
platform.
Quora पता है, but what is, we were discussing SEO and then we shuffled to and we went to Quora. ये दोनों को लिंक कैसे करा ये समझना चाहता हूँ मैं.
for backlinking.
Okay.
Backlinking is a part of SEO. It's a major part of
Yeah,
SEO.
absolutely understand backlinking as well. Quora पे कैसे पहुंच गया? Like what were you saying about Quora over here?
So basically,
So Quora is very. Yeah, go ahead.
So basically, what I was saying is, देखो, अगर in case someone is searching or something, you will find Quora link, right?
Yeah,
Quora
of
का
course,
link
true.
होंगे, yeah.
It has good
So
DAP.
getting into that, so getting into that and posting your comment and with a link. So one tool what you can use is there is something called
get it.
paraphrasing.
Hmm.
Paraphrasing is a tool where, see, for example, what is WordPress? You have a blog. Just copy and put it in paraphrasing. It will give you a new content. Just copy that, put it in Quora with your link. See, I have made a blog with the same thing. Put your link in. So that's one of you get quality backlinking.
Okay. Yeah. That's, see, to some extent, I might be absolutely wrong about this, but this entire spamming thing, or rather this doing this Quora wala thing, it was not appreciated by Google at some point. I'm not really sure. I might be wrong with this now.
Let me add something that if you put like 100, 200 words, you put on that thing like someone asked some, like there are some bug on, like some glitches or
If there
anything.
is a good
Someone
good
asked,
content,
then put a description. Yeah, put description like, then give at last give your link. Then that would be good. Since
Okay.
Quora is lot like reputable platform, so it has good domain authority. It ranks above anything.
But bro,
And
मेरा
people will.
recently मेरा experience है, like I had जब मैंने नया account खोला, I was not allowed to post anything. ठीक है, still I was posting content. I posted for approximate 1 month. I posted answers. Then after 1 month, I started putting links. So that was visible to me. But recently, मेरा account दो हफ्ते के लिए बैन हो गया. Totally, I was not able to put answers. But after the ban was removed, when I checked my profile on in incognito mode, then the answers were not visible to other people. In my account, I was having answers. I was holding the answers, but there was a link, but that were not visible to any people.
There is a Quora moderation policy. You have to check the Quora moderation policy, like what you can do and what you should not do in your answers. So I do that from my account. My account is like 3-4 years old. I do that quite frequently. I don't face any such issue.
So you see, I am basically, I take that SEO jobs and stuff. So basically what I do is I have around 10 to 20 Quora accounts because of course मेरा website है कितना भी email चाहिए तो कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
So with that I do like एक में 10 करता हूँ, दूसरे में 10 करता हूँ, तीसरे में 10 करता हूँ. That's how I do it.
So
okay,
you
don't
can
do
use
it from a single account. That is like Quora will understand that there's something happening over here. Do it from multiple account. If you have a hosting service, you'll get. I have hosting or this thing. I get like I can make 1,000 of emails. Doesn't matter. Okay, and and it'll be the same password, of course. Do the paraphrasing thing and put your content in. That's one of the major things for backlinking. And make sure you concentrate on Quora or Reddit, and even if you can through Wikipedia. Wikipedia is one of the major things.
Yeah.
I'm trying it out. Yeah,
Also,
if you can.
So those who are saying that they can't put links, I would like to say that there is a person, CN Karen on Quora. He went on Medium, like he is quite popular, like he is getting million views a month, and he went on Medium and he just started sharing the links on Quora, and he didn't get any ban or something. Maybe because he is famous or anything. You have to build the trust. Like, don't just go and spam. That would not work.
That absolutely might be a right point, Elliot, over here. I think this pretty much, I won't say this sums up this entire conversation, but what I've understood today, they've got better people to talk about SEO. We've got Yash over here. Karthik also talks really well. You know a lot about it. How about we all have a combined session on backlinking, because that is a very big thing that people who are into this writing or a blogging sector, they know it's important. They know that even in WordPress that is going to make a hell lot of difference. Even for businesses to some extent, this falls under a good marketing strategy. How about we soon conduct a session just on backlinking? Or do you think it like doesn't really deserve a single session and just can be talked about casually?
This deserves a session, but actually everyone's backlinking techniques are different.
G3G4.
What do you say, Elliot?
No, I was not that.
Elliot near कोई तो बीच में था.
What's your review like about this?
Yeah, of course.
So one thing in SEO I would like to add more, like use good graphic. Like if you can find your custom images, that's very good. Like using images from Pixabay or any other platform, Google finds that you are using images which are available everywhere. And if you use unique images, you can even rank in Google Images and you can get traffic from that also. So use good graphics. Try to use it. So the graphics can also reduce your bounce rate if you use that well.
Oh, that's
and
interesting.
One more point, can I mention one point on the snippet wala part?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you guys need a snippet on your, like if your page is ranking on Google one, or I mean page one, तो जिनका भी snippet मैंने observe किया तो वो लोग ने table of content डाला है वहाँ पे.
Yeah, वही मैंने बोला.
तो वो टेबल ऑफ हाँ इंडेक्सिंग जब होगा तो टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट रहेगा तो वहाँ से गूगल फेच कर लेगा.
हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा था.
एंड पॉइंट ऑफ बैकलिंक
प्लगइन है टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट करके उसको यूज करते हैं.
हाँ तो बैकलिंक का अगर पॉइंट आया है तो फिर मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि बैकलिंक बेसिकली है ना, तुम medium.com से दो टाइप के बैकलिंक होते हैं. डू फॉलो और नो फॉलो बैकलिंक्स. तो अगर सपोज आपके पास 1000 कोरा के भी अगर बैकलिंक्स हो गए, पर उसके जगह पे एक अच्छी अथॉरिटी का डू फॉलो बैकलिंक होगा ना, तो उसको ज्यादा वेटेज मिलेगा.
फिर यहाँ भी यही सेम बात है कि क्वालिटी कंटेंट डाल के तब बैकलिंक दिया जाए। ये स्पैम वाला चीज कहीं नहीं चलता है।
नहीं चलता अभी, ये नहीं वो था। गूगल अपडेट के आने, गूगल पेंगुइन के अपडेट आने के बाद सब कुछ चला गया। पेंगुइन का अपडेट आया, आई थिंक सो लाइक 2006 में कुछ तो आया था पेंगुइन का अपडेट, तभी चला गया था। और बैकलिंक मोस्टली, अगर सपोज आपका एग्जांपल पकड़ के चलो कि आपका अगर कुछ साइंस के रिलेटेड वेबसाइट है, तो ट्राई करो कि साइंस के रिलेटेड के स्ट्रीम में, मतलब उसके ब्लॉग पोस्ट में आपको बैकलिंक मिले। वो बहुत
गेस्ट पोस्टिंग वर्क्स और आर्टिकल्स,
गेस्ट पोस्टिंग,
क्वालिटी सोर्सेज जो है ना बैकलिंकिंग के, वही काम करते हैं।
एंड इवन
earlier those days are gone कि जो पुरानी टैक्टिक्स थी, ब्लॉग कमेंटिंग, कीवर्ड स्टफिंग, these like
that was I was saying.
इनिशियल बूस्ट के लिए आप यूज
स्टफिंग, कीवर्ड
क्या बात चल रही है यश भाई?
लेकिन रिमूव करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, और लोकल एसईओ की बात आती है तो लोकल एसईओ में पता नहीं, मैंने अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन किया सेशन, तो लोकल एसईओ के लिए आपके लिए साइटेशन करना पड़ेगा। बेसिकली आपको आपके बिजनेस, सपोज आप एग्जांपल इवेंट मैनेजमेंट का कोई कंपनी है, तो बहुत सारे या सुमित
बोल ले भाई, मैं बोलता हूँ।
हाँ, तो लोकल एसईओ के लिए बेसिकली साइटेशन करना पड़ेगा। जितना आपका ज़्यादा साइटेशन रहेगा ना, उतना ही आपका लोकल एसईओ में रैंक होगा।
ऐसा पार्शली करेक्ट है, बट जितने साइटेशंस होंगे, नंबर ऑफ साइटेशन इज नॉट लाइक नॉट द थिंग दैट मैटर्स इज के नैप कंसिस्टेंसी। नैप इज व्हाट के नेम, एड्रेस, फोन नंबर। जितना जो भी साइटेशंस आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो, उस पे ये सेम डॉट टू डॉट, स्पेस टू स्पेस एग्जैक्ट सेम होना चाहिए, तो वो कंसिस्टेंट रहेगा।
ब्रो ये कॉमन है ना, जो भी साइटेशन क्रिएट करेगा वो कोई और अलग एड्रेस डालने से रहा अपने बिजनेस के बारे में।
ना डॉट टू डॉट आई एम सेइंग।
हां, डॉट टू डॉट ही।
Like if you are having some same address, like you have to just copy paste that. You can't write same address every time. That's what I'm saying.
एंड इन बैकलिंक्स में आपको बता सकता हूँ, अगर सपोज आपका क्लाइंट है, अगर वो हैवी अमाउंट आपको दे रहा है, तो यू कैन डू अ प्रेस रिलीज बैकलिंक्स ऑन देम। लाइक जो भी अच्छी न्यूज़ वेबसाइट्स है ना, उनके थ्रू बैकलिंक आप ले सकते हो। ये गूगल बहुत अथॉरिटी मानता है इसको बोलते हैं प्रेस लिंक बैकलिंक्स बोलते हैं। और ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट है। सबसे बेस्ट कौन सी होती है? सपोज आपको फोर्ब्स सबसे बेस्ट बैकलिंक होती है गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट से सबसे बेस्ट होती है, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट से अगर मिल रहा है तो वो तो मिलने से ना .org ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाला नहीं, .gov गवर्नमेंट वाला रहता है, तो वो तो मिलने से राम लोग। सेकंड .education, हाँ, जहाँ से एजुकेशन वाला वेबसाइट, वहाँ से ले सकते हो। अगर वो नीश है तो वो मैं रेकमेंड करता हूँ। कोई अलग नीश में मत ट्राई करना बैकलिंक्स कभी भी। सेकंड, हम लोग अगर इनिशियल बूस्ट चाहिए तो आप लोग कोरा और मीडियम यूज़ कर सकते हो। एंड इवन एक और पॉइंट बोलना चाहता हूँ, जो मीडियम बेसिकली मीडियम, कोरा भी नहीं, मीडियम और गूगल साइट करके भी एक चीज़ है, जहाँ पे इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं वेब 2.0 बैकलिंक्स बोलते हैं इस चीज़ को। तो वेब 2.0 इज ऑल्सो अ पावरफुल थिंग। तो अब गूगल्स पे आपका क्या करो, सपोज आपका कोई एग्जांपल कोई आर्टिकल है, तो गूगल पे जाओ और वही आर्टिकल क्रिएट करो, बट थोड़ा डिफरेंटली क्रिएट करो, थोड़ा हाफ इन्फॉर्मेशन दो, और बोलो कि अगर ज़्यादा चाहिए कंटेंट तो क्लिक हियर मोर और समथिंग, वहाँ से आप उसको डाइवर्ट करो वैसे। तो वहाँ पे आपको एक अच्छा सा बैकलिंक मिल जाएगा जो अच्छा ऑथोरिटी वाला, भले वो नो फॉलो है, बट तो भी मायने रखता है। अगर फालतू में कमेंट्स वो सब करने से अच्छा कि हम लोग वेब 2.0 बैकलिंक्स करें। सेकंड, तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हो कि अपनी नीश में जो भले आपसे डीए थोड़ा कम हो, उनका डोमेन अथॉरिटी थोड़ा कम हो, उनसे तुम मांग सकते हो गेस्ट पोस्टिंग, और ट्राई करना कि जिससे भी आप बैकलिंक लो, मतलब ये बहुत कम पॉसिबल चांस होते हैं कि उसको बोलो कि मुझे होम पेज में बैकलिंक दे, अगर उसको आप पैसे पे कर रहे हो तो, क्योंकि वो होम पेज पे सबसे बेस्ट होता है बैकलिंक लेना, सबसे बेस्ट होता है होम पेज पे बैकलिंक लेना। अगर वहाँ पे बैकलिंक मिल गया तो देयर वाज अ केस स्टडी, आपको एक केस स्टडी बताता हूँ क्या हुआ था। एक होस्टिंग कंपनी थी, मतलब बेसिकली उसने क्या किया था कि एक थीम होती है ना, जो थीम फ्री थीम्स देती है, वन ऑफ द पॉपुलर थीम वेबसाइट को उन्होंने दिया कि मेरा लिंक आपके थीम के नीचे डाल दो, अंडर में होम पेज के नीचे डाल दो। तो जो भी लोग थीम डाउनलोड कर रहे थे फ्री में, वो अपने वर्डप्रेस में इंस्टॉल कर रहे थे, और उनको मिलियंस, मतलब 1000 lakhs ऑफ बैकलिंक्स मिल गए थे फ्री में। एंड उनका
ये तो अभी भी होता है।
हाँ, उनका आर्टिकल एक्चुअली में गूगल में फर्स्ट में रैंक हो गया फॉर होस्टिंग कीवर्ड, जो सबसे कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ड। एंड उनका उसने सिर्फ मतलब कुछ प्रैक्टिकल किया था बेसिकली है, तो उसका डेली का जो होस्टिंग से अर्निंग हो रहा था वो हो रहा था समथिंग $1 lakh फॉर दिस। तो उसने गूगल को पता चल गया, गूगल ने बैन कर दिया उसको। इसलिए बहुत मेन होता है कि अगर आपको होम पेज से बैकलिंक मिल जाए तो वेल एंड गुड है। सुमित आप बोल रहे थे सेशन लेना चाहिए कुछ बैकलिंक्स या फिर एसईओ पे ऊपर एक बार।
Exactly, man. Exactly. Definitely. I think we should definitely keep a session on backlinks. That would see overall all these sessions are just source of information for everyone. आज तो हमने casually बात कर रहा है. If this is going to help someone, just drop a message. Let me know your timings. Let's come and DM and let's figure out when you can do this. अगर आप कहते हो कल भी लेना है, let's plan it accordingly and let's have this session tomorrow. Because today I was expecting a lot more questions on call. जो कॉल्स पे अभी तक नहीं आ रहे थे, देख समझ में यार, सवाल यहाँ पे पूछा करो यार, क्या डीएम में पूछ रहे हो, अभी भी आप डीएम में सवाल पूछ रहे हो. हैव क्वेश्चंस ओवर हियर, आस्क क्वेश्चंस. इफ देयर इज नो WordPress specific question today, if there is no WordPress specific requirement today, then we'll have a session on backlinking tomorrow, and day after we'll have a session on WooCommerce.
हेलो एलियट भैया.
किसी को भी सवाल नहीं है. ग्रेट, गो अहेड.
अरे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, मतलब वर्डप्रेस का नहीं है, मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि अपन जो बात कर रहे थे, जैसे भैया ने बोला थीम वगैरह की, मुझे वो पता था कि लोग ऐसे फ्री थीम का भी करते हैं. तो मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये था कि ये अपन जितने भी मतलब जो डेवलपमेंट में होंगे उन्हें पता होगा कि वो लोग आइकॉन्स वगैरह यूज करते होंगे, तो वो मतलब अलग अलग वेबसाइट पे से यूज करते होंगे फ्लैट आइकॉन और उन सब की, मतलब वो ऊपर उनकी लिंक वगैरह देनी होती है. तो क्या वो लोग भी इसी तरह से रैंक करते होंगे मेरे हिसाब से फिर तो?
जो लिंक देगा जिसके पास बैकलिंक ज्यादा होंगे वही रैंक करेगा. अब गूगल का स्मार्ट हो गया है कि वो किसी एक क्राइटेरिया डिपेंड नहीं करता है कि पहले था कि कीवर्ड. हाँ बोलो.
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि जैसे अभी आपने बहुत सारे वो आइकॉन्स प्रोवाइड देखे होंगे, मतलब जैसे फ्लैट आइकॉन, तो हम लोग फ्लैट आइकॉन यूज कर लेते हैं, फ्लैट आइकॉन, ठीक है. तो उन लोगों का बिजनेस इसी तरह से चलता होगा ना, मतलब वो लोग पहले बहुत टाइम तक फ्री में दे दिया होगा, तो मतलब करोड़ों लोगों ने, अब्जों लोगों ने यूज किया आइकॉन यूज किए. अब आप आइकॉन तो साइट के अंदर जाके चेंज करने वाले, पेड तो बाद में पेड निकालेंगे,
डाउनलोड
नहीं बाद में वो लोग पेड निकालेंगे तो उनका रैंक करेगा बहुत सारे लोगों, वो लोग ऐसे ही यूज करते.
Am I the only one who is finding him difficult to listen, or क्या हो रहा है, मतलब नेटवर्क का इशू या लैग है? ब्रदर योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग अ लॉट यार, थोड़ा नेटवर्क में आ जाइए.
हेलो. हाँ तो मैं एक मिनट में डिस्कनेक्ट होके रिकनेक्ट करता हूँ.
So Yash, Elliot, if Karthik is available, then Karthik as well. लेना है कल सेशन बैकलिंकिंग पे. Perfect. Then Elliot, you know who to connect with, you know who everyone is going to be. I think ये थोड़ा मतलब इसको तो YouTube पे भी जानी है. चलो यार स्ट्रीम लगा देते हैं, उस पे सारा रिकॉर्डेड कंटेंट रहेगा ही. But at the same time, let's have a discussion just on backlinking tomorrow with everything that's related to content. How to increase that content reach, how to make sure that we rank ourselves. So mix of SEO, backlink. ये सेशन कल के लिए रखते हैं.
Then for the future we can do a whole series on SEO too.
Absolutely man, absolutely. तो वही है ना कि see WordPress का अभी my part was, so far I've done just the basics of it. We had a website where we discussed about how Elementor का एकदम basic वाला thing works. I need to somehow cover WooCommerce to a certain extent. I have to cover WooCommerce, multi-site, that's another thing. Then there is a listing platform that I plan to cover कि चलते कैसे, concept क्या होता है, and which are the best themes that you can go for. I think मेरा तो इतना ही बाकी है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. So now that we already have an audience for tomorrow and the discussion is also very fruitful, let's have this session tomorrow. And then after that I'll cover the remaining part that I got to cover. What say Elliot? Yash, yeah, sure. Are you in?
Yes.
Perfect man. कार्तिक को भी बुला लेते हैं and either ways everyone is going to contribute some or the other way, तो हर किसी का discussion होगा इसी बात पे. It's already 11:55. Any specific questions on WordPress?
Sumit, can you just take one session on like कैसे client लाते हैं, how do you approach, to clients, basically for WordPress, like for
Okay.
designing, website design.
Check
I
out
think
the first session.
first
There are
session
some
we sort of discussed
yeah.
about this, but I think it's okay, man. Like करते एक सेशन सिर्फ सेल्स पे करते हैं, like sales, marketing, how to
हाँ
approach client.
Yeah,
उसमें तो एक
sales
पक्का
like
रखना ही है.
okay, that's the need. मुझे जो चाहिए था, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक client है, but उसके आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay. नहीं करते for sure यार, no problem. See, because अगर ये सिखा ही रहे तो उसके साथ वो भी उतना ही important रहेगा. I think there might be some time where I might also take session on अभी के time पे at this current situation scenario 2020 how to market yourself on social media. I think that's one good thing, and I think that can be a very practical approach that we can take. We can take like a 30-day challenge for the entire group that we form. And let's just go ahead with our content strategy. देखते हैं खुद का social media का following बढ़ाने का कोशिश करते हैं. Let's see how that goes.
हेलो, अब मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
So do you even have international clients?
Yeah, absolutely, man. I just don't have international clients. I run my agency now through US as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I have an office in US, UK, Germany. Those are just extensions, but yeah, we do serve clients over there as well.
कि like Australia, for example, Australia में मतलब हर जो भी business run कर रहा है वो उनको website compulsory ही होता है.
Okay.
तो वहाँ conversion rate बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Example जैसे ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
इंडिया के बाहर हर जगह कन्वर्जन रेट ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, वहाँ पे मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि अगर मुझे पता नहीं ये रूल मैंने सुना है, मैंने एक्चुअली में किधर देखा नहीं, वो बोले थे कि अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अगर आपके पास वेबसाइट नहीं है तो यू हैव टू पे 6% एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स टू द गवर्नमेंट.
क्या बात है, ऐसा नहीं सुना था मैंने कभी. Like if this is the case, then it's interesting.
नहीं, जहाँ पे मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है बाहर कोई भी बिजनेस छोटा पनवाड़ी भी होगा ना, उनको भी
That's a good thing, yeah. That's actually a good thing. I just hope people understand why they are having that website and how they can try to capitalize on top of it. सिर्फ वेबसाइट बना के रखने में मतलब नहीं. अगर if you're not really using it at its fullest potential, then it's pretty pointless.
Actually में 6% extra, it's like कि जिसको वेबसाइट है उसको 6% डिस्काउंट है.
हाँ, वही ना, वेबसाइट नहीं है तो एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ेगा, वो बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
Cool, yeah. This is interesting. This is new stuff that I'm getting to know.
I was just telling as a joke. I was not serious.
What the hell, man?
मैं सीरियस हूँ, शायद मैंने किधर पढ़ा था, मुझे रिसर्च करना
पड़ेगा. डिसाइड कर लो, अगर ये सीरियस रहेगा तो बहुत कूल चीज है, जोक रहेगा तो भी बहुत लेम चीज है. Nothing more specific to WordPress, because अगर WordPress के सारे सवाल खत्म हो गए होंगे, then I would call it a day. 12 बज गए already, and I still haven't had my dinner.
Hello, so my last question.
Yeah.
Can you session something like you can use this in between also in any of your session? Like अगर multiple clients है तो how you manage all these clients? Do you manage on a single hosting which you have purchased for the multiple websites or what?
Absolutely, that's what I do. I have purchased so much of hosting that I'm giving hosting free, giving away my hosting for free right now for all the Avalonians. All you need to do is just go and fill my form and you'll have your own hosting account.
So basically जो आप unlimited वाला जो plan होता है उसके अंदर ही clients के लिए करते हो, correct?
हाँ, exactly, that's what I do. Yes.
But does speed से कुछ होता नहीं है speed से, इतना अगर एक ही hosting plan में अगर unlimited वाला use कर रहे हैं?
See, the hosting package I use is from EcoWeb Hosting. That's a UK based company, been around for I don't even know, man, like such a crazy amount of time. I've personally been using it for more than 3 or 4 years. I don't even remember. And since I'm one of their very privileged customers, I know I've been keeping a track of kind of technologies that they have been having. Like उन्होंने मतलब HDD से लेके SATAs and extreme super fast SATAs and crazy amazing processors, यहाँ तक उनका वो जर्नी मैंने पूरी तरीके से देखा है. I really haven't faced any issues. No downtime faced so far. अगर हुआ होगा, नहीं यार, नहीं होता है. I install WordFence and I pretty much know downtime कब होता है, नहीं होता है. I really haven't faced any downtime so far. So the client or that hosting company has really been good for me. That's why I've been continuing to use it for such a long time now.
Bro, where we can fill that form that you
asked?
WordPress channel पे आपको कहीं ना कहीं पे तो भी मिल ही जाएगा. And guys, मैंने almost 48 पैकेजेस निकाले अभी तक कोई AveCoin भेज नहीं रहा है. Come on, I'm at least expecting like this package that I have that's worth 18,000. मैं फ्री में बांट रहा हूँ. 100 AveCoins तो एक वेबसाइट पे बनते हैं.
मैंने आपको किया सेंड. Yeah, I send you AveCoins.
Of course, I don't really keep a track of कौन कर रहा है कौन नहीं कर रहा है, but अरे come on, थोड़ा बहुत तो बैलेंस बढ़ जाना चाहिए था.
अच्छा सुमित भाई, मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ, अपने को SSL सर्टिफिकेट अपलोड करना है तो कैसे करने का?
SSL सर्टिफिकेट अगर आपको अपलोड करना है, मेरा पहला वीडियो जाके देखो, मैंने वहाँ पे Cloudflare का कनेक्शन कैसे करते हैं वो बताया.
अच्छा.
Yes. Okay. Although I have given you an extreme dedicated cPanel of your own, SSL I have purposefully disabled because I know यहाँ से SSL दूंगा तो आप Cloudflare avoid करोगे तो DDoS अटैक होगा तो मेरा सर्वर दिक्कत देगा.
नहीं एक्चुअली मेरे को मेरे डोमेन से मिल रहा है ना, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है, मैंने वहाँ डोमेन में जैसा नेम सर्वर बदला ना, तो वो लोग ने ऑटोमेटिक अपलोड करना बंद कर दिया, तो मेरे को मैन्युअली करना पड़ेगा. तो
नहीं अच्छा चलो, in that case okay, I'll tell you in that case, even if you want to do it manually in StackCP, I think I've kept the console or the terminal or SSL का क्या कह रहा हूँ, SSH का option enabled. SSH is enabled, you need to connect your hosting with SSH to your terminal and that way you can definitely upload your SSL. SSL अलग है, SHH अलग है. SHH से आप कनेक्ट करके टर्मिनल से आप आपका SSL अपलोड कर पाओगे. And if you really want to go for a free one, you can just link your hosting package or run your hosting package through a layer of Cloudflare. That way आपको SSL भी मिलेगा Cloudflare का और साथ ही साथ DDoS protection भी. Guys, okay, by the way, disclaimer आज ही दे देता हूँ, please Cloudflare use करो. My hosting is very much capable of, but if something happens to your website, if there is ever a DDoS attempt and if I ever get a mail from my hosting company that hey come on यार, एक layer Cloudflare का लगाना था, दूसरा भी नहीं लगा पाए, I would cancel your hosting. So please make sure Cloudflare का layer एक बीच में रखो.
हाँ ठीक है. तो आपके SSH में जाके करना है ना वो?
SSH में जाके टर्मिनल कनेक्ट करो, टर्मिनल कनेक्ट करके आप टर्मिनल से SSL अपलोड कर सकते हो. There's a way, you can just Google how to upload your SSL through terminal or SHH.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
इसके लिए पुट्टी डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है.
पुट्टी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. अगर आपका लिनक्स बेस्ड सिस्टम होगा तो आप लिनक्स से मशीन से ही डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो. मैक होगा तो आपके पास यूनिक्स सिस्टम होगा. I think okay, I haven't really used Windows for a long time, but I have heard somewhere that even Windows has a Linux shell available now. Is it true? PowerShell तो बकवास है. Linux का shell available है? कहीं पे तो भी सुना था यार. Let me just Google.
नहीं, git bash से आपने डाला होगा तो होगा उसमें. मतलब git वगैरह यूज करने के लिए होगा तो उसमें.
Linux shell on Windows. Okay, Linux bash shell हाँ available तो है. Linux bash available तो है Windows 10 पे. तो दिखा रहा है 2016 का आर्टिकल है, तो it definitely it's been like more than 4 years now. तो हाँ पक्का होगा. There are of course options available. Just go and Google how to install Linux bash shell on Windows 10. Connect it and yeah, I think you're good to go.
गूगल पे जाके WSL सर्च करो.
सॉरी
हेलो
बोलिए.
गूगल पे जाके WSL सर्च करो.
WSL
तो यप WSL.
ओके, विंडोज सबसिस्टम फॉर लिनक्स. ओके,
Ubuntu लाइट वर्जन Ubuntu का जो है वो विंडोज के अंदर बाय डिफॉल्ट मतलब इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. सिर्फ एनेबल करना है. सर्विसेज में जाके वो थोड़ा बहुत चीजें है कुछ. WSL
interesting stuff here.
System for Linux.
Okay, see, either way this is not really useful for me. I'm on a Mac right now. मेरे पास Unix है, but for others, please go and check what WSL is. Seems interesting.
Windows Subsystem for Linux. एक तरीके से जो AWS वगैरह जो कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस देते हैं ना, जो सेम टू सेम इंटरफेस पे विंडोज पे लिनक्स चला सकते हो. Ubuntu लाइट मिलेगा उसमें.
ओके,
Ubuntu मिलेगा बाय डिफॉल्ट इंस्टॉल. तो Ubuntu के मतलब लिनक्स की जितने भी कमांड्स है विंडोज में बाय डिफॉल्ट चला सकते हो विदाउट एनी मतलब एक्स्ट्रा कुछ कोई भी तरीके का प्लगइन या ऐसा कुछ डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो सीधा कमांड लाइन में चल जाएगा सेम टू सेम.
All Windows users, please take down notes. Sounds very interesting. Go for it and check what exactly it
enable
is.
करना है Windows 10 में है तो बस enable करके activate करना है वो Google पे मिल जाएगा कि कैसे करना है
लिख लो guys, लिख लो, note down कर लो, वाइवा में पूछा जाएगा ये पक्का.
And Sumit, do you also offer your clients the SEO part or not, or just designing?
I do the bare minimum SEO because even I understand SEO is a complicated thing, and for Indian clients I try to avoid SEO because उनको समझाना दिक्कत होता है. उनको ऐसे लगता है कि उन्होंने आज SEO का पैसा पे कर दिया है, कल SEO लग जाएगा और तीसरे दिन गूगल पे रैंक होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. I tend to avoid clients who ask for SEO.
The reason इसका रीजन ये है कि SEO का कैसा होता है कि एक बार चार्ज नहीं होता अगर SEO
Yeah, it's a retainer, exactly. It's a retainer and they don't even understand how can there be a retainer. ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. So it's difficult to explain Indian clients about it.
वही इंडिया में.
Of course, few people do understand.
If you are having high competition keywords, then it will take time to rank your website.
Exactly.
4 to 6 months चले जाता है.
True. See, so that's the whole reason I sort of avoid. मैंने 2017 में ही 17-18 में ही मैंने SEO करना छोड़ दिया था clients के लिए. Like at least sensible clients का तो पता नहीं, उनके लिए करता हूँ.
Who was your first client? Like, can you share the story of?
Oh yeah, my very first client. I still have it.
Go to the first video. You said that.
That's बहुत.
Sumit, I have a question. कि hello, am I audible?
Yeah, absolutely. You are audible. Go ahead.
Okay. So without the SEO incentive, like what motivates a client or a business to like get his own website?
Okay.
Like उसको तुम कैसे convince करोगे कि like आपको website का क्यों जरूरत है?
Okay. See, it's not just the website that I provide. It's the overall effect that I have for that particular client. Because कैसा है, मैं उन्हीं टारगेट्स को कन्विंस करता हूँ जिन्हें मैं लॉन्ग टर्म रोड मैप दिखा सकता हूँ कि आपका वेबसाइट इज जस्ट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. With website, with your digital presence, you can shift towards social media marketing, advertising, and you can actually have an online presence of your own. So that dialogue, आपका online presence बढ़ाए. That's the only good thing that GoDaddy has ever done so far, and that is what I convince my clients with. कि look, get your website right in place, you have your online presence. You get your PR done and sorted, you have your offline presence. Now mix your offline PR with online PR. Your press releases that you have, the clients that you have, backlinkings to your clients, kind of interaction with them. Someone even tries to search your name on Google, make sure that only your name pops up. See, there's an entire PR mechanism that runs in the background. When you can convince someone what is the importance of internet in 2020, I think that is what really works for that particular client. Like for this client had no need or no intent. This client, when I approached him, he literally was making a shit ton of money, like 4 crore on a yearly basis. And what he does is, so someone who asked me who my first client was, he was an almost first client. Like first client, I remember, that is what I would definitely say. You would still you won't see SSL over here because he has literally got his domain. So he got his domain, more than domain, he got his business email from Rediff. And that is what he's continuing to use right now. I had to configure A-Records, जहाँ पे name server नहीं चलते थे. So with A-Records I've configured, and because A-Records I couldn't really upload like a shell, especially not shell, SSL for him. This was the website that I made for him. Had crazy amazing clients, like just into corporate catering, corporate food. You just go down, you'll see Paul's amazing clients like NVIDIA, DRDO. I think this is what Balaji Institute, ADP, Principal Phenolics, Mercedes, I believe, is one of his clients. As I said, a pretty crazy companies he already had. And he was my sort of first client that I remember. ये नहीं चल रहा है, ये अभी मैंने देखा था last time भी, ये मेरे को fix करना होगा इसके लिए. But yeah, everything is pretty much running, and this is what I used to do. This is what I did.
Okay, तो अगर उसको जरूरत नहीं था वेबसाइट का तो उसको कैसे कन्विंस किया फिर आप?
See, मैंने उसको ये वेबसाइट बहुत सस्ते में दी थी. I literally charged 3,000 for this. And
including
for
the domain
everything, man, everything. I had that opportunity back then because for me, not domain, of course. Domain तो उसने पहले से ही ले लिया था. It was my time that I invested, and hosting also I pretty much received for a very cheap price. Like EcoWeb hosting का और उसका story भी बहुत अलग है. So the first batch of websites that I made, and for them when I got EcoWeb hosting, I was associated with the CEO of the company. He sort of knew me. We had a personal connect, and we had that personal connect because I was his student. When he got to know that I'm doing something like this, he gave me his hosting services for free. That's how I got my free hosting initially. तो होस्टिंग मैंने सॉर्ट कर लिया था. मैंने थीम भी मेरे दोस्त से ली थी जिसके पास एक एक्स्ट्रा थीम पड़ी थी, एंड ही इज ऑलरेडी पेड फॉर दैट. उसके कुछ काम की नहीं थी, सो ही जस्ट ट्रांसफर्ड द लाइसेंस टू मी. सो सेलिएंट इज द एक्चुअल थीम दैट आई एम यूजिंग फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट. मेरे पास चीज़ें इनिशियली ऑलमोस्ट सारी फ्री में थी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई कुड मेक इट फॉर 3000. एंड देन लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई कन्विंस्ड हिम कि लुक, यू हैव योर ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई टू क्रैक मीटिंग्स विद दीज. And then when I asked him, I pushed him कि जाओ भाई अपना पहला मीटिंग करो और अपने clients को ये दिखाओ. He had some Japanese client who was working for Principal, and he could sort of like present this beautiful website. Like this was way beautiful, at least for my standards, back in what I think 2017, and he could pull off his entire meeting just on the basis of this website, and that's what sort of got him click कि अरे नहीं, website है, सही चीज़ है, ये काम में आएगा, अभी मुझे PPTs बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, दिस इज़ मोर देन इनफ फॉर मी. एंड दिस इज़ वाई ही कंसिडर्ड लाइक चलो वेबसाइट अभी चाहिए, अभी इसके साथ और आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
Bro, what about the content?
I think content also is what he only provided. Like I never really made content for him. He just provided and I just used that. I think हाँ, पूरा content तो client नहीं दिया था, मैंने नहीं बनाया था.
So what do you usually do? You have a content writer?
I do have content writers. My content services are chargeable, of course.
Hello Sumedh.
Yeah, Elliot, बोलो.
So someone messaged me कि उन्होंने गलत डोमेन डाल दिया है इस फॉर्म में.
अरे गलत डोमेन डाल दिया है तो भाई मुझे मैसेज करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Forward it to me, fill the form all over again, you will get your domain. It's as simple as that. But guys, for anyone who is looking forward for that domain, पहले तो डोमेन खरीद लो, खरीदने के बाद मुझे मैसेज करो. Secondly, don't send me .tk and .ml domains, वो चलने ही नहीं वाले hosting पे. That's not going to work. Don't send me Google business listing like business-site.google.com. Don't send me that. वो मैं host ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा because वो hosting के लिए available ही नहीं है. That's another thing. Also, domain literally means your domain name, not the kind of industry that you belong to, or not your name. So whenever you're sending me, at least buy a domain name and then share it with me, or then fill the form. जिन्होंने भी proper domain names डाले उन सबको domains मिले, जिन्होंने नहीं डाले उनको नहीं मिले.
Yo, what form are we talking about? I'm so sorry, I just missed the whole convo.
Very random stuff. Like we cannot even summarize कि हमने आज क्या क्या बात किया है. But again, from SEO to backlinking to random WordPress related stuff, that's what we are talking about.
So where's the form? Like, can you just link me to the form?
Oh, you'll find it pinned on the WordPress channel.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Yeah, cool. Guys, dinner बाकी है.
Hello.
So अगर हो गया होगा तो हाँ बोलो.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन था, ना वर्डप्रेस का है ना वेबसाइट का है, जस्ट जनरल क्वेश्चन है. मुझे एक मतलब क्लाइंट अभी मिला है, उसको मैं एम्बेडेड फील्ड में हूँ और हार्डवेयर बनना था. तो उसको एक कॉफी वेंडिंग मशीन बनाना है, टीम फॉर कॉफी वेंडिंग मशीन, काफी यूज उसका मतलब बड़ा सा प्रोजेक्ट है. तो उसको चार्ज कैसे करना है? मतलब मैं अभी 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और मुझे मतलब जॉब वगैरह की हुई, पहले फ्रीलांसिंग की थी, उसमें तो कैसा प्राइसिंग का मैंने नहीं सीखा था.
Okay, I'm just checking the other channels right now because मैं ऑनलाइन वाला बंदा हूँ भाई. मैंने वेबसाइट्स बनाए, मैं प्रोडक्ट्स बनाता हूँ, but I think there is someone way experienced at me that you'll find. Do we have Saad available in conference room 1 right now? Do you see him online? साद भाई अवेलेबल हो या नहीं? साद तो
मेरे पास उनका नंबर है, उनको पूछ लूंगा ऐसा हो तो.
किसका?
साद भाई का.
अरे भाई साद भाई से पूछ लो. इज द बेस्ट गाय टू एक्चुअली आस्क सच क्वेश्चन because he might be able to give you a better perspective than me. I really don't have an experience, or rather, even if I had one, I couldn't really come up with on-spot answer for you. So yeah, I think Saad would be the better person to ask this.
और अभी अपन जो पहले बात कर रहे थे, मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी तब मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि ये जो फ्लैट आइकॉन वगैरह उस टाइप की आइकॉन पैक की वेबसाइट्स होती है, तो वो ऐसे ही फ्री में बैकलिंक लेती होगी ना? मतलब फ्री तो नहीं बोल सकते, उन्होंने काफी मेहनत की, बहुत टाइम फ्री चलाया और बाद में वो लोग पेड निकाल रहे हैं, तो उस हिसाब से मतलब रैंक करते होंगे, उनका मॉडल यही होता होगा? मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ।
नहीं तो वो डाउनलोड करके हम लोग अपलोड करते हैं ना।
नहीं हाँ ऐसा होता है, डाउनलोड करके अपलोड करते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग उनके CDN की लिंक्स होती है ना वही रखते हैं, मतलब उनकी जो लिंक होती है वही रखते हैं मोस्टली। तो मतलब यही होता होगा उनका मॉडल या कुछ अलग? मतलब जनरल डिस्कशन है।
डाउनलोड करके लगाएंगे तो उसको अवॉइड किया जा सकता है।
अरे मतलब मोस्टली मैंने देखा है।
ओके नहीं देख I think you should lead with an example, because even for me this is something either different, out of territory, or I might have not really understood your question in सब में से शायद एक।
ओके हाँ, मतलब आप ऐसा समझो, आप जब डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होते हो ना कोई भी वेबसाइट का, तो उसमें हम आइकॉन्स यूज करते हैं, ठीक है? तो जैसा एलियट भैया ने बताया वैसे कि हम डाउनलोड करके उस आइकॉन्स को अपलोड करके और फिर उसे यूज कर सकते हैं, ये तरीका होता है। और एक डायरेक्ट हम लिंक रखते हैं CDN के।
अरे दो CDN वाला लिंक्स दे आर होस्टेड ऑन Maven। नहीं उनका इसके साथ सी Maven is a very different technology। Maven रहने दे या CDNs रहने दे, they don't really fall under the category of backlinking। वो बैकलिंकिंग में नहीं आता है, सो that's just like a different thing altogether।
ओके
या
तो मतलब मैं ऐसा सोच रहा था कि इनका ऐसा होता होगा कि ये लोग पहले मतलब बहुत साल तक फ्री चलाते होंगे, उनके पास बहुत सारे बैकलिंक्स आ गए, तो अब कोई आइकॉन्स वगैरह का लिखेगा तो उनकी मतलब रैंक हो जाती होगी और फिर वो लोग आइकॉन्स पैक बेचते होंगे।
नहीं
ऐसा होता होगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
हाँ वो तो पता है, लेकिन मुझे लगा ऐसा मॉडल ये लोग फॉलो करते होंगे। ट्रस्टेड तो है ही।
गुड गेस, अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा चीज नहीं है।
अरे पर तो उनको ऐसा फायदा होना चाहिए ना, मतलब वो लोग काफी फ्री में मतलब उन्होंने दिया है, तो
फ्री में तो मतलब वही देख कैसा होता है, ये फ्री में सब कुछ फ्री में नहीं होता है। लाइक आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अबाउट फ्यू ऑथर्स ओवर हियर ऑन फ्रीपिक एज वेल। I know a particular author on Freepik, and he goes by like similar username on Elements Envato, goes by the name Tahira Studio, Tahir Studio, ऐसा ही कुछ तो नाम है बंदे का। वो isometric images बनाता है। Majority of the isometric images that you'll see on the internet belong to him। अभी इनका ऐसा होता है कि पहली बात तो जब ये फ्री में डालते हैं, दैट इज टू गेट पीपल हुक टू द काइंड ऑफ इमेजेस दैट दे मेक। उनके क्वालिटी के साथ वो लोगों का एक माइंडसेट जुड़ना पसंद करते हैं, एंड वंस यू गेट यूज्ड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन्स डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल, देन यू टेंड टू एक्चुअली स्पेंड मनी टू बाय देयर स्टफ। तो इसके आपको फ्री भी मिलेंगे, प्रीमियम भी मिलेंगे। फ्री से ये लोगों को पहले तो उनका माइंड कन्विंस कर लेते कि नहीं भाई, दिस इज द डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल दैट यू शुड गो फॉर, एंड वंस पीपल अंडरस्टैंड दैट whatever free designs were available, they have already exhausted it, it's okay to pay because now we already love this design, they end up paying for the actual premium design। ऐसे होता है।
तो हम ये फालतू जो भी बात की उससे एक चीज मतलब प्रोडक्टिव सोच सकते हैं कि जैसे आप कुछ बना रहे हो, मतलब जैसे मेरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का एक स्टोर है, तो मैं उसमें कुछ फ्री का टूल टाइप का बना दूंगा, तो फिर लोग उसको लिंक वगैरह करवाएंगे। अगर लोगों को हेल्पफुल रहेगा तो उससे मेरा मतलब बैकलिंक वगैरह
लोगों को हेल्पफुल तो रहना ही है, बट अगर आप मेंटालिटी उनकी कन्वर्ट कर सको।
अच्छा
अगर अच्छे डालोगे तब होगा।
ओके मतलब ये तो ऐसे जनरल टॉक थी, मुझे ऐसा लगा था बहुत पहले, इसलिए मैंने कंफ्यूजन दूर कर दिया।
अरे ठीक है ब्रो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
आइकन्स के साथ में इन्फोग्राफिक्स के साथ होता है।
ओके हाँ सुमित भैया,
we should end the stream I guess।
अरे गाइस थोड़ा डिनर करके आता हूँ प्लीज, आराम से बात करते हैं।
Small question, just yes or no।
Okay man, quick, go ahead।
Can we build a site like Zomato on WordPress?
Zomato on WordPress? No and yes। Two reasons. No is a literal answer, but yes, if you try to go on extreme levels of customization, try to go with a listing platform or convert your current website with a few plugins. I don't know what exactly. I think there is a plugin that I know goes by the name Gloria or something. Gloria Food, yes. This is a plugin that's available that can be used to convert your website into Zomato, but extreme levels के customization नहीं मिलेगी. If you really want to build a sophisticated one, sorry.
Are they coded websites?
What coded? Coded तो होते हैं. Like, see, I'll give you a better option. Go on Theme Forest and try to search for PHP scripts. So PHP के जो है ना, आपको PHP के scripts मिलेंगे, and I don't really know what company it is, but yeah, if you just try to go and search for apps, there are few apps that are literally your multi-vendor grocery apps or multi-vendor restaurant apps. वो PHP पे ही based होते हैं. They would still work on the similar server what we have right now.
उससे भी अच्छा है एक दो वेबसाइट से मैं नाम आपको DM कर दूंगा ऐसा हो तो, या फिर वर्डप्रेस वाले उसमें डाल दूंगा, उधर से आप परचेज कर सकते हो. हाँ, उधर से आप लिटरली परचेज कर सकते हो, मतलब वो चीजें, मतलब बनी बनाई ग्रोसरी वाली चीजें, और वो कंप्लीट PHP भी होगी, ऐप भी मिलती है उस पे, और वो चीपर रेट्स पे अवेलेबल भी होती है, क्योंकि सारे जो डेवलपर्स होते हैं ना अपने जैसे, वो बना के उन, मतलब जैसे मेरा पोर्टफोलियो है तो मैंने कुछ काम किया नहीं है, तो मैं ऐसे साइट्स पे जाके पब्लिश कर दूंगा, तो मेरी ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस भी हो जाएगी और वो लोग मुझे पे भी करेंगे. तो आप उधर उस टाइप की वेबसाइट जहाँ पे पूरे प्रोजेक्ट्स बने मिलते हैं, उधर से डायरेक्ट परचेज कर सकते हो.
ये एलियट नहीं है. अरे हाँ, एग्जैक्टली यार, ये फूड डिलीवरी रेस्टोरेंट ये तो है ही. I'll show you one more. See, I have it open it right in front of me. Let's go in the code section. Code में if I go in mobile popular items, top sellers, I think ये पहले top, हाँ ये देखो मिल गया. Smart Vision का food delivery, it's a Flutter based app and they have their backend on PHP. मेरे current वाले जो servers है इसी के साथ भी ये चल जाएगा, and I think it's pretty good यार. They've got like 4.5 rating, 1440 sales, and it's good. Like as far as I have tried and tested this, it's good enough. Like similarly, there's a grocery, food, pharmacy, store delivery mobile app as well. ये भी एक चीज है.
So it is kind of possible, but
ये WordPress नहीं है. ये WordPress नहीं है. ये PHP based है, and this is like having like crazy levels of customization. WordPress पे there is one tool. I think I've opened up a link over here. Yeah, here there is this WordPress plugin called Gloria Food. This allows you to build one, but with limited sort of customization. Possible तो है, but वही है कि extreme level की customizations नहीं कर सकता.
domain and hosting and stuff.
For what?
For these sites like Zomato and everything, the initial process of buying hosting and domain will remain the same.
Yeah, they also need hosting, but their hostings are not like your typical PHP hosting or cPanel or WCHMS. वो Azure का, maybe AWS or maybe DigitalOcean, their hostings are different, their packages are different, their services are completely different. उनका hosting का type अलग है, PHP, WordPress इनका अलग होता है.
Bro, back in the day when I was in college, I started a food delivery app based on WordPress.
Okay.
And I had used a plugin called WC Vendors.
Oh yeah, WC Vendor. Of course. WC Vendor is there. WCFM.
Yeah, and there's one more called
Dokan.
Basically what I had, something like that. So what I had used WC Vendors, and I had given different notification apps to all the restaurant owners. And it was working out really fine. And then a nearby college student bought it off from me.
That's cool, man. So I hope you made like great money with that.
Not great money, but yeah, it was back in the day when in my city there was no Zomato or Swiggy. But I was sure that they're going to come one day, and then my app won't really make that much sense. So that's why I was okay to sell it off, but it was decent money for starting off, like because I was in college and stuff.
Okay, someone has posted a photo on WordPress.org. See, Dhruv, I gave you the hosting package way before even announcing this. That's why you have SSH enabled for you. For others, I've kept it disabled because SSH की मुझे थोड़ी दिक्कतें होती है for me dealing with my company. So I've temporarily, or rather, I plan to disable that. If anyone still wants an SSL, you can take the Cloudflare wala route. That's one definite way you can get an SSL link to your website.
Cloudflare is any day better than Let's Encrypt, which is mostly free with most
True.
of the hostings, I think.
Guys, take your leave today. Like at least for some time. I'll just go and have my dinner first. But yeah, productive session. Yash had a lot of value to add today. Same with Karthik and Elliot again as always. And for all the people, all those members.
आप तो कब से शेयर करते हो?
अरे नहीं यार, it's always important to shout out everyone who is actually providing real genuine value. So you guys did a great job.
हाँ
करते हैं जल्दी बात.
मैंने एक लिंक शेयर की है
Flippa.
जो मैं बता रहा था ना उसकी.
या मैन फ्लिपा.
तो उस पे से आपको मतलब आप जो स्क्रिप्ट्स वगैरह बोल रहे थे ना तो वो मिल जाएगी आपको बनाया स्टोर और वो सब. तो आपको कुछ मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप डायरेक्ट ये लेके फाइल डाउनलोड करके और होस्टिंग में डाल सकते हो और आपका स्टोर रेडी.
अरे वो खरीदना पड़ता है और काफी एक्सपेंसिव है. फ्लिपा इज लाइक Amazon फॉर स्टार्टअप्स.
हाँ उस टाइप का ही है. पर इसके जैसे दूसरे भी है जिस पे स्टूडेंट्स लोग डालते हैं तो वो बोल रहे थे उस टाइप मतलब. तो भैया ने बोला था उन्हें समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो उनके लिए सही रहे मतलब. तो मैंने देखा था एक वेबसाइट है मिलती है तो मैं शेयर कर दूंगा.
इंडी मेकर एक है. फ्लिपा जैसे और एक है. हाँ इंडी मेकर एक है. इंडी मेकर इज अ गुड वेबसाइट. थीम फॉरेस्ट पे तो आपको सारा PHP रिलेटेड या कोडिंग रिलेटेड मिल ही जाता है. इंडिया के लिए ऐसा कुछ बना नहीं है अभी तक बट हाँ चल रहा है बैकग्राउंड में एक प्रोसेस वेयर वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड एन Amazon फॉर स्टार्टअप्स इन इंडिया वेयर पीपल कैन बाय एंड सेल स्टार्टअप्स. तो देखते हैं कैसे होता है.
ओके
yeah man, let's quickly get done with your question.
Yeah bro, I was earlier asking you about .tech one. And yeah, so about this domain managing the DNS through this like from where I bought the domain name. So yeah, over there like name servers को edit करने का रहता है right?
देखो
जो होस्टिंग के साथ है.
हाँ बराबर. You have to copy paste the name servers on your domain service providers admin panel.
But actually there is a problem over here. Like I cannot edit it. Like it's only saying like we can copy it and like that. Edit करने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिखा रहा.
क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई. मैं भी you purchased it from get.tech right?
Yeah bro.
There is an option that's available man.
Like DNS management के अंदर.
हाँ yeah absolutely. Dude come on look at this. I already have. अरे चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं आप ढंग से देख नहीं रहे हो. C32.tech I've got this from get.tech only and it's pretty much available.
Yeah so.
तो थोड़ा आप वहाँ पे सेटिंग्स में चेक करो.
Is it okay that I share my screen?
ओके गो अहेड.
कोई प्रॉब्लम रहता है मुझे आइडिया नहीं है इसके बारे में.
अरे गाइस आपने देख डू वन थिंग. ट्राई टू गेट इन टच विद समवन फ्रॉम द वर्डप्रेस ग्रुप. फॉर मी आई रियली हैव टू टेक योर लीव राइट नाउ. इट्स बीन सुपर डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू स्टे अप बट आई विल बी जॉइनिंग लाइक अगेन इफ टाइम परसिस्ट आई विल डेफिनेटली जॉइन अराउंड लाइक व्हाट 1 इश
शेयर करो हम लोग थोड़ा गाइड कर देंगे.
अरे कर दो यार. बहुत सिंपल चीज है
मतलब बहुत बार ये तो पर वो उस इंटरफेस का मुझे पता नहीं होगा लेकिन डेफिनेटली हम ट्राई तो कर देंगे. आप शेयर तो करो.
चलो गाइस नाइस कॉल. हैड फन. करते हैं जल्दी बात. लेट्स गेट इन टच टुमारो. आई गेस